Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is July the 3rd, and the chart of the day for today is the dollar index 16 minutes time frame here. So we can see we are now looking for the downside with the right side down, which suggests it is a bearish market. Okay, and there's a possibility we may have already started to turn higher now and looking to do another leg up here to complete an ABC correction within the wave 2. So we are now within wave 1 of 3, and then now looking for an ABC to finish wave 2 of 3 before it turns lower again. So as long as we stay below 99.4, then we continue to like it more downside. Now, of course, the exact structure of the rally can have multiple different ways. This is just one way to do it, which is a simple ABC rally. And if that's the case, then we should be looking for resistance somewhere around this area, 97.40, 100% extension of the C equal A all the way up to 97.90. Now, of course, the rally can take form into a bigger complex correction, let's say a DXY, in which case you can have an ABC rally over here, which is only ending the W, and then you can get an X, and then you can get another 3 years up in the Y leg before turning lower. Now that's also another possibility there, right? But the idea is no matter what sort of structure it will turn out to be in this rally, as long as we stay below 99.4, we continue to like it more downside. So as always, we're trying to use this principle of rally, corrective rally is in the sequence of 3 swing or 7 swing. That's why we're calling it this way, 3 swings. Okay, maybe this first 3 swings can end the correction and start to turn lower. So that's a potential resistance zone over here. Okay, so now if I zoom out on the weekly time frame, all right, so I'm putting wave 2 here, which is basically in the same wave 2 here on the weekly. But if you just look at it from here, 2022, you clearly see a sequence of lower low here. All right, a sequence of lower low, and it's just a simple extension analysis here will let you know that we have a potential downside target to at least some sort of 95, which is the 100%, right? So assuming, let's say, you are very bullish the dollar index, then even in an ABC type of movement, potentially you can see some sort of support at the 100% extension. Usually in the area is between 100%, 161.8. If this turns out to be a massive wave 3, which is a super bearish, then it can go all the way to 85 without too much of a significant rally. Now, when I say significant rally, I'm looking at it from the weekly, not looking at the hour by hour daily correction here, because you can see something like this, which is technically from 98 to 101. That's like a 300 pips, but from the weekly perspective, that's really not a massive rally at all. A massive rally or a significant rally on the weekly scale will be something like this. That will be a significant rally, or even something like this is going to be pretty significant on the weekly time frame. But if you only get something like this and then go down again, that's not really considered to be a big rally from the weekly perspective, right? So again, the minimum target is 95. It can go lower than this, but the area is big, between 100%, 161.8, because we are measuring it on the weekly scale. So again, shorter cycle is going to be, the thing is that people only trade in the shorter cycle without understanding the higher time frame, which is not really the best way to trade it. We need to understand all the time frame to know what exactly is happening in the higher time frame, and the high time frame is still firmly bearish on the bearish side until at least 95. So therefore, in the shorter time frame, it doesn't matter what the shorter time frame do, right? It will not change the higher time frame idea, and any kind of rally therefore in the shorter time frame is going to be considered to be just a correction, and it should fail again using the principle of 3 swing or 7 swing for the downside extension. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check out service. We have 14 days trial, and I will provide the link in the description of the video. You can also check our website. We have currently, this is our website here. We have a 4th July of promotion. If you're new members, you can take advantage here for the first month at least, and then you can also take a trial here. Again, the link is in the description of the video. Plans and pricing here can show you what we have, what various different tier of subscription plan we have, and then educational classes is for you to learn more about Elliott Wave here. All right, so I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.